who's ready for the craft? So for the craft, here we go. Since we shared this cool book, Wednesday by Anne Bertier, I thought we could try making some really cool designs out of circles and squares. I'm going to come up with some ideas. Here we go. So a circle, a yellow circle looks a whole lot like a sun. So what if we cut our circle in half like that? And we took our square. My square and my half circle have turned into an ocean with a setting sun. And then I could even cut little strips from my circle to make rays for my sun. Let's try that. I'm going to cut a little one like this. I'm cutting little triangles like that to make my rays. And there is a rising sun. I'm gonna take my square and cut it into a long rectangle and put it right there. And look, it's the sun rising over the ocean. Let's see, what else could we make with our squares and circles? And of course, you can use so many colors. You can use any colors you want, but I'm just going to use my blue and yellow. So you know what? One of the ones I really liked was the ice cream. So I'm going to take my square and I'm going to cut it in half like that. I have a triangle and I could even cut it again. This is if this was my ice cream cone, this would be a really wide ice cream cone. I'd probably have to use 2 hands to hold this cone. Or you can cut it again, make it a skinnier ice cream cone. There it is. And then I'm going to take my circle and I'm going to cut my circle in half. And, oh, that's a big ice cream cone. There it is. Ice cream cone. Yay! Does anyone else have any ideas as to what we could make? Do you have an idea?
A flower.
A flower? Okay, I will. Here I go. Here's my circle. I'm going to do it a little bit like they did in the book. I liked that. So they took the circle and they cut it in half. And now I have 2. And I'm going to stack them on top of each other like that. And now I can cut them both at the same time. So let's cut them in half. There they are. I'm going to stack them on top of each other again and cut them in half. There, now you have lots of petals. I'm going to take my square and just cut a strip like that. And I'm just going to cut a little square right there. And that's going to be the inside of my flower. There's my flower. Let's do one more idea. What should we make?
A balloon.
A balloon. Good idea. There is a blue balloon, but it needs a string. So let's get my yellow square and cut a nice long strip. There's my balloon. All right, friends, this is just the beginning of what you could make with all of your squares and all of your circles. And you could use so many different colors and cut them into shapes and make so many different cool designs. So friends, I hope you had fun. I will see you soon. Bye, everyone. Bye.